Before you continue scrolling, stop. Let me ask you one question. What if one small delay, just 5 minutes, could change your entire life? What if the biggest opportunity of your life came to you today, but you said, "Let me rest first. Let me eat first. I'll do it later." And when you finally stood up, it was already gone. Most people don't lose their dreams suddenly. They lose them slowly, minute by minute, day by day, and they don't even notice. Welcome to Hashmi English Tutor, where we don't just learn English, we learn life through English. Today's story is long, it is deep, and it might change the way you look at time forever. Time, the silent decision maker. In today's modern world, time is invisible. We don't see it leaving. We wake up, check our phone, 5 minutes become 30, 30 minutes become hours. We think we're relaxing, but actually, time is quietly walking away. Time never shouts. Time never warns. It just leaves. A successful person and a failure both get 24 hours. The difference is simple. One uses time, the other wastes it. Now, let me tell you a story that explains this truth better than any lecture. The Lazy Boy, a life full of later. Once upon a time, in a small and peaceful village, there lived a boy. He was not stupid, he was not weak. In fact, he was smart. But he had one dangerous habit. He delayed everything. If his teacher gave homework, he said, "I'll do it later." If exams were coming, he said, "I still have time." If his parents asked him about his future, he smiled and said, "Don't worry, everything will be fine." But slowly, his marks went down. His confidence went down. His respect went down. His classmates moved ahead. He stayed behind. At night, he felt scared, but in the morning, he repeated the same mistakes. Arrival of the wise man, a turning point. One day, news spread in the village. A wise man had arrived. People said he had changed many lives. He didn't give money, he gave understanding. The boy felt hope for the first time. After everyone left, he gathered courage and said, "Sir, I feel lost. I want success, but I don't know why I'm failing. Please guide me." The wise man looked at him quietly for a few seconds. Then he said softly, "You are not failing because you lack ability. You are failing because you lack discipline." The boy listened carefully. The wise man continued, "Let me tell you a story. This story is not about others. It is about you." The King and the Old Friend. Long ago, there was a king known for kindness. One day, an old man came to the palace. The king recognized him immediately. He was his childhood friend, once equal, once full of dreams, now poor, jobless, broken. The man complained, "Life is unfair. People don't give me chances." The king looked deep into his eyes and said, "I will give you one chance, one single chance." The king made a powerful offer. "Before sunset today, take as much gold as you want from my treasury. Whatever you collect is yours." The deadly habit of delay. The man was excited, but not urgent. First, he ate food slowly, then he rested, then he slept. Each time he said, "I still have time." When he finally started walking, the sun was hot. He felt tired. He sat under a tree. Cool breeze, comfortable shade, and again he slept. Time passed, silently. The doors close, the moment of realization. When he woke, the sky was dark. He ran, heart beating fast. But when he reached the palace, the gates were closed. No gold, no second chance. He cried, not because the king cheated him, but because time did not wait. The wise man's silence. The boy felt his heart heavy. For the first time, he understood his life, all the missed chances, all the wasted days. Transformation, respecting time. From that day, the boy changed. He woke up early, he studied daily, he stopped excuses. Slowly, his marks improved, his confidence returned. People respected him, all because of one change. He started respecting time. Final powerful message. Remember this, A missed train teaches the value of 1 minute. A failed exam teaches the value of 1 year. Time is more valuable than money. If you respect time, time will build your future. If you waste time, time will destroy your dreams. If this story made you think, like the video, comment, "I will respect time," and subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor for more English learning stories that change lives. Till next time, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today.